this be the best deal in new construction in the greater Austin area in Homestead Estates in Elgin, Texas by LGI Homes? 4-bedroom home on a big lot, just over $375,000. This community offers all of that here in East Travis County, just east of Manor, strategically positioned between the Tesla and Samsung factories. We'll take you throughout the community in every square inch of the inside and outside of this home. And this builder through June 30th, 2024 is offering one of the best incentives I've seen in the Austin area. I'll share that piece of info here later in the video. In today's video, we're in Elgin, Texas, in East Travis County, east of Austin, and east of the bigger suburb of Manor, Texas, in a home off of 290 that is in between the Samsung and Tesla factories. There's a couple other homes on this street that are also available now that are smaller one-story homes. If this is a little bit too big, ask me about those as well. The one next to it here on the right and the one across the street. However, we're going to take a look at this farmhouse beauty, which is located on Farmhouse Drive. Coming in, you got a nice brick exterior covered patio, and I really like this leaded glass window on the front door. Opening in, you are greeted by a more of a luxury vinyl plank entry, as you can see here as we look down. More of an upgrade and a light tone. Coming in, we have a half bath to the right. This is going to be a pretty standard bathroom here. And again, for the price point, we're getting some decent upgrades here. Some of the exterior, the elevation upgrades from the front, the luxury vinyl plank. However, again, this is very affordable at $375,900. So we're going to really see how much value they can pack into a brand new home here in East Travis County. Looking back at that leaded glass window, a little privacy. We got our ceiling fan humming here. And this is the open room here, the main level. No bedrooms on the main level. So you're going to have a large family room here, family/living room. And it's going to be connected to a open kitchen, dining area. And you also have this big island here, definitely big enough for a few bar stools. So a breakfast counter here. And then again, you have that back area as more of a elongated dining table. You could put an office here as well, a desk. But yeah, you definitely have, some flexibility here with this large open concept area. Again, you got the luxury vinyl plank throughout this kitchen, white cabinets, and the granite countertop stainless steel appliances. These appliances are included. You got the stainless steel fridge and the electric range oven, the microwave oven on top. And you got a pantry there behind. Also, let's not forget, in the island, you got the stainless steel sink, undermount sink, and the dishwasher. So lots of storage space here. Does not come with the poles, but you can easily add those yourselves. I like this little feature here. You got some USB ports built in to the outlets. So you can plug in your devices there if needed. Taking a look into the pantry. One thing I didn't love here was no light in the pantry. However, there's several, quality battery powered lights that you can get nowadays. So Amazon, Home Depot, you can easily fix that without having to do major electrical work. But, would have loved a light there just for convenience. Here you got your front facing attached 2-car garage. It's got obviously a motor there already installed, so you're good to go there. One aspect I love about this house is the yard. So fully landscaped, as we saw from the front, comes with the tree. This little cool pull down shade here. I'm seeing these more and more in new builds in the area. Kind of built inside of the window. So it's pretty cool there to keep the sun out and privacy intact. Again, you got a large, really large backyard here, very symmetrical, very flat. No patio on this model, so that would be something: patio, pergola, pool, whatever you would want to do. Outdoor kitchen, you definitely have the dimensions to pull that off back here. You are looking at 0.15 and change. Just under 0.15 of an acre. But again, the flatness of the land, the symmetry of the lot, it's not all wasted up front. You got a lot of room back here. And with the 2-story build, your floor plan, your footprint of the house is pretty minimal because you're stacking, a lot of the square footage on top of each other. So really maximizing that lot space. So love the yard here in this home. Let's take a look upstairs into the living quarters. Again, all 4 bedrooms are going to be upstairs on the main level. So you have some carpeted stairs here, carpet throughout the main level. The second level, in addition to the carpet that you saw there in the family room. So we are greeted here on the landing with a large utility room. No appliances upstairs, so you do have to purchase the washer and dryer. Again, depending on inventory, these things could become available. It's hard to kind of forecast when and if they're available. If they are, we could definitely try to negotiate to include those in. And you got some kind of just basic shelving here. So, if that's suitable for you, great. If not, you can rip that out and install your own kind of wooden, more of a heavy duty storage system there. Tall ceilings here on the second level. This is the primary that we walked into, the primary suite. So you got a view back there, as you saw, a lot of natural light coming in of the view of your big lot. Not necessarily, the greatest view in the world, but, it is what it is here at this price point. But also at this price point, you're getting a pretty expansive primary suite here. You got the separated shower, walk-in shower, soaking tub combo. You got a large, only one sink here. I would have loved 2 sinks. Again, we're at $375,000, so you can't have it all. But you got the extended granite countertop here. You got the walk-in shower here. Pretty nice here with the glass. Linen closet, pretty standard here. Again, more of that metal shelving. There's the look at the large extended vanity, but the primary closet, walk-in closet, is huge. It is a big closet. It also wraps around here to the right as I kind of pan the camera. So you got more of a nook here, so you can kind of throw a dresser or some more shelves in there. Again, not the most elaborate storage system and rack system here. Definitely can update that and make it, something really special. And again, you have your toilet in here. Nice to have the door and the privacy. And a little bit of a setback here, for more privacy and maybe some noise control. We won't get too deep into that. Again, here's these 2 windows. Comes with the blinds, so you have your, nice pull down wooden shutters, blinds there that are included in all the windows. Coming down to the other wing of the second level, you have look at the attic up top. Your HVAC system would be in there. Here are 2 of the secondary bedrooms adjacent each other. And you have front facing rooms here. This one's got more of a smaller closet. So, I would consider this one, if you didn't need it for a bedroom use, a office, a guest room, These 3 bedrooms have its own full bath here. Here's a pretty big bath, again, extended vanity, and then you got your shower tub combo, kind of maximizing space here. A door to shut, keep private for that toilet again, and again, more luxury vinyl plank there. Here's the other secondary bedroom. Now this one's going to have more of a walk-in closet, much bigger closet than that room right next to it. So again, more of a personal use room if needed, more suitable for that as opposed to the one next to it. And lastly, we got another larger room here, small closet again. Here's more of a linen closet, blankets, sheets, that kind of stuff, other storage, whatever you need it to, whatever you need it for. And here you go. You have the final bedroom number 4 here, tucked away in the corner. Again, another big walk-in closet. And I think I've teased these incentives here long enough. Again, this is a $375,000 home. It's FHA-able for 3.5% down. Also USDA territory over here, so you can get 0% down amidst qualifications. This home is offering at a 2-1 buydown through June 30th, 2024. That will get you a 3.99 interest rate. Year 1, 4.99 year 2. They're also doing some closing costs. Again, this is Elgin, Texas, an up-and-coming community, really emerging ahead of its time here. East Travis County on the border of Bastrop County. Bastrop's got some growth potential as well. You've got Manor to the west of it, just to the west of it. To the north, you have Taylor in the Samsung plant, everything that's going on over there. You're not too far from Tesla to the southwest. Just down 130, and also obviously right past Tesla is going to be the airport. So definitely emerging area here. So if you want to learn more about this community and take advantage of this incentive, please reach out, subscribe, and like this content for more just like it, and be on the lookout for more tours.